North America, a continent of diverse landscapes, vibrant cultures, and iconic landmarks, offers travelers an endless array of experiences waiting to be discovered. From the majestic national parks of the United States to the charming cities of Canada, North America is a treasure trove of adventure and exploration. Join us as we uncover the top 5 countries to visit in North America, each offering its own unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and unforgettable experiences. Number 5. Mexico. Our journey begins in Mexico, a country known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Explore the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza and Tulum, relax on the pristine beaches of Cancun and Playa del Carmen, and immerse yourself in the colorful streets of Mexico City. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Mexican people, indulge in delicious cuisine, and discover the magic of Mexico's diverse traditions and festivals. Number 4. Canada. Next up, we have Canada, a land of breathtaking beauty and outdoor adventure. Explore the towering peaks of the Canadian Rockies in Banff and Jasper National Parks. Cruise through the pristine waters of the Inside Passage in British Columbia, and discover the vibrant multicultural cities of Toronto and Vancouver. Experience the thrill of wildlife encounters, from grizzly bears and moose to whales and bald eagles, and immerse yourself in Canada's rich Indigenous culture and heritage. Number 3. Cuba. Moving on to Cuba, a country steeped in history, music, and vibrant street life. Explore the colorful streets of Havana, visit the historic sites of Trinidad and Cienfuegos, and relax on the beautiful beaches of Varadero and Cayo Coco. Experience the rhythms of salsa and son, indulge in authentic Cuban cuisine, and immerse yourself in the island's rich cultural heritage. With its unique blend of Spanish colonial architecture, Afro-Caribbean culture, and tropical charm, Cuba offers travelers an unforgettable journey through time. Number 2. United States. Next on our list is the United States, a country of diverse landscapes, iconic landmarks, and vibrant cities. Explore the natural wonders of Yellowstone and Yosemite National Parks. Discover the cultural melting pot of New York City and San Francisco, and experience the magic of Disney in Orlando and Los Angeles. Experience the thrill of road tripping along the iconic Route 66. Indulge in classic American cuisine, and immerse yourself in the country's rich history and cultural heritage. Number 1. Costa Rica. Rounding out our list is Costa Rica, a country known for its stunning biodiversity, pristine beaches, and eco-friendly ethos. Explore the lush rainforests of Manuel Antonio and Corcovado National Parks. Zip-line through the treetops of the Monteverde Cloud Forest, and relax on the sun-kissed shores of the Nicoya Peninsula. Experience the thrill of wildlife encounters, from sloths and monkeys to toucans and sea turtles, and immerse yourself in Costa Rica's commitment to sustainable tourism and conservation. There you have it, our top 5 countries to visit in North America. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of Mexico, cruising through the pristine waters of Canada, or immersing yourself in the vibrant culture of Cuba, North America offers travelers an unforgettable journey through some of the world's most captivating destinations. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these countries? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy travels!